What is going on, traders? Celeste Capital here. Welcome to episode 9 of this challenge series. I have not gotten into the trade, guys. This was just a forward test, but if price comes back down, I'm going to look to get into this trade. Um, Currently, we aren't in any trade. GU is in my sell zone, but I think it already mitigated, and it may take this supply zone out and continue to the upside. So what I'm looking for is potentially a break of this, and then I'll look for a mitigation of a swing low to continue to the upside. In terms of gold, gold is heading up towards a major supply zone, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to catch the buy up. So I'm going to get in on the mitigation of this swing low right here that you guys see to take price to the upside. So currently got two moves going on, gold and GCAD. Those are the two I'm waiting for. So I'm going to look to get in pretty soon, maybe even right now. If price comes back down again on GCAD, I will get in on the trade. And I'll give you guys an update, and we'll see what happens. Be back in a sec. We are currently in this GCAD trade, guys, as you can see over here. Where is it? All right, there we go. We've entered, and reason I've entered is because, let me actually show you on TradingView, because price came into this swing low that you see right here that had an impulsive move to the upside. So we were waiting for the retracement back. Price tapped back into it. And once price tapped back into it, we saw a shift of microstructure. We saw this high get broken right here with this impulsive move up. Price mitigated the demand zone that you see down here, and then had an impulsive move again. And if we zoom in even closer, we see that there's this swing low left behind, this 3-move swing low. And we look to get in on right here, the high of the swing low right here. And our stop loss is below this low right here. So yeah, it's currently where we stand right here, and we are looking for price to take out these equal highs that you see up here. And simple as that. Simple trades, guys, simple. So yeah, it's currently where we are, and I'll give you guys an update as price continues to move. And let's take a look at gold really quick. Looking to get in on the swing low, as I told you guys before, up to the demand zone. So this will be a nice RR. Let's see, what 20? Oof, pretty heavy stop loss, 28 pips, but I'll take it. To about a nice 1 to 4, about 1 to 4. So yeah, we'll look to take this trade and give you guys an update if anything happens. Be back in a second. All right, guys, I currently entered into a GU sale. Same reason as I explained before. I was first looking at this as an enticement of sellers, but after relooking, I noticed that first of all, I entered into my sell zone. We've got some liquidity forming to the downside, some buy side liquidity in the form of trend line. And also we have this swing high right here that broke structure to the downside, and it's currently ranging in this area. And then ultimately what we did, we had to break a structure on the 5-minute. We had a candle close below this line. So we're heading back up to the swing high, or we've headed back up to the swing high, and now we're currently pushing to the downside. So that's currently where we stand. GU and GCAD, I'm in those two trades. I'll give you an update on GCAD right now. GCAD looking good so far. Again, expecting to take out this liquidity up here. And let me show you that I'm in GU. Where is it? Yeah, this is GU right here. Entered right here. And GCAD, we are still in this trade. So we're currently up about 250, 260. And yeah, these should be the only two trades I take for today. I may take gold if it looks good, but risk a lot less. I risked 0.5% on GU and GCAD, And on gold, I may risk 0.25% if I decide to get in. I think I may be done for today, but we'll see. Give you guys an update as soon as I can. I'll be back in a second. We've decided to reduce our stop loss, guys, to just above this high right here. So we're going to use that high as our stop loss. Price action is looking decent right now. GCAD, we're still in the trade, and yeah, waiting for moves to play out. Still being patient, still sticking to our rules as always, and give you guys an update. Be back in a second. All right, guys, we are still in GCAD, but GU we got stopped out. You can see this huge impulsive move to the upside. Um, yeah, should have stuck to this rule that I had, enticement of sellers, but no big deal. Caught it was a nice rejection that we thought would hold, but ultimately it did not. So we'll just reconfigure and look for any other setups. Currently, we are still in GCAT as I told you, but let me show you GU. Where is it? GU lost about 330 bucks on that trade. Um, Risk was reduced again from 500 to 300. So yeah, not mad about it. We're gonna continue to work on these setups, and yeah, we'll see what happens in a bit. We are currently down 0.5%. So there's the balance 0.5%. We are currently down. Floating equity, we're just about break even. So we're gonna let this GCAD trade run, and yeah, I'll give you guys an update on if I decide to take any other trade. I'll be back in a sec. All right, guys. So I'm currently looking at GCAD. Looks like it is pretty impulsive. It's heads to the upside. I may get in on another entry at this swing low right here. If price comes down here, I will take an entry and put the stop loss at the same place. So yeah, just give you guys an update. GU still in my sell zone, but it stopped us out. Looking for the only way I would sell it is if it breaks this low right here and closes below this low. That's the only reason I will go for a sell. If I get a 5 minute candle close below this low, then yeah. Um, I probably shouldn't have considered this a 5 minute candle close, even though it did close below it. Should have been more of an impulsive close than what I see here. So no big deal, just a lesson learned. I'll be sure to log this trade so that I don't make the same mistake again in the future. So yeah, give you guys an update once again, and I'll be back in a second. Let's see, gold. Gold still somewhat bullish. We're still looking for it to make one last push to the upside. I'm hoping that it comes down here so I can catch this impulsive move to the upside. So yeah, give you guys an update. We have decided to take the second entry on GCAD, guys. We've gotten into the trade, and we are currently two positions in GCAD. Right now, this one is in drawdown still, but yeah, we're expecting it to continue to the upside, and yeah, give you guys an update on anything that happens. This should be the last trade for today, and whatever happens, happens. We'll just continue to trade the way we've been back testing, the way we've been preparing for, and that's the only thing we can do, guys, because we know that our system gives us an edge in the market. So yeah, give you guys an update. It's been about an hour or so, guys, and here's an update. GCAD is still playing around in this small range. We're still expecting bullishness from this point. Yeah, we're just going to continue to manage this trade, continue to watch this trade. We've reduced our risk down to this last swing low, so we're stop loss about 13 pips or so. Again, we have two entries in it. Gold. I took this buy on my live account, not on my FTMO account, so no need to worry about that. I'll show you guys actually the buy on my live account. You guys can see right here, this buy limit didn't get hit, but I manually placed this entry right here, so it's kind of weird. I'm gonna delete this buy limit and yeah, hold on to this entry that I have right here. Because of spread, it didn't get tapped into. It got tapped into, but because of spread, it didn't get activated. Is what I meant. Spread on Hugo's way is pretty pretty big. It's about 3 pips on gold, I think, about 3 pips. This only went about 2 or so pips. So yeah, we are going to delete this buy limit and hold on to this trade right here. We're gonna expect, again, as I told you guys before, we're expecting one last push on gold to the upside. And yeah, we're gonna break even once price breaks this high right here. So we're gonna put break even up here, and once price breaks that high, we're gonna go ahead and break even. GU, nothing yet. Just got the range high and low marked up. It recently broke out of this range right here that you see, this high, this low. So this is our new low, this is our new high. So yeah, once again, still waiting on GCAD to make a move. We're hoping that it doesn't stop us out before making its move, because we are expecting bullishness from this point. So yeah, I'll give you guys an update in a few, and I'll continue to monitor these trades. Just show you guys again what's going on. Stop loss too big for me to take this on my FTMO account. I like smaller stop losses. It's about 30 pip stop loss, more so around 20 on gold. Yeah, this, I don't know, as long as the low doesn't get taken out, we're still good. I'm still confident in this low that it's going to hold. So yeah, we'll continue to monitor this, and I'm gonna show you guys my account actually. So we're currently down 210 bucks, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. On my second entry, I'm holding GCAT up to this level right here to fill in this imbalance that you see right here. I'm expecting bullishness from this point. So yeah, I'm going to hold it up to here. On the first entry, I'm going to hold it up to here, which is about 70 pips. So we've got 70 pips up to from here to here. And then I think 100 and some pips from, yeah, from our second entry to over here. So 100 pips. Yeah, back with an update, guys. I will see you in a second. Stop loss has been hit, guys. Stop loss has been hit. Going back to the basics, guys, we are back to, let's see, we're back down 1%. So not a big deal, down 1%. Easily make that back. Now we've got about 2 weeks to make 10%. Not a big deal for us. We're not going to rush into anything. We're not going to force any trades. We're going to continue to trade the way we've been trading. The only thing is we might have to hold our trades a little longer, maybe swing trades. But yeah, we'll just continue to do what we do, continue to take the same trades we've been taking. All the trades were pretty much good, with the exception of a few trades that I'm learning from, constantly learning from, guys. So yeah, back down to 1%. As you can see, this would have been a lot worse if we did not have risk management, right? So the fact that we took this many trades and we're down only 1% is pretty good, actually. It's a win of my books. You know, it's not about the profits. It's more about who you become in the process of these different challenges and difficulties in life. So again, back to 1%. We are currently we're down 1%, and we are going up from here, guys. Let's go ahead and get it. We'll be back on the charts tomorrow. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Once again, thank you guys for sticking with me. I'll be sure to continue to upload these videos for you guys, so you guys can see the ups and downs of trading, you know, the reality of trading. And so once I pass the challenge of verification, I'll make a video about the reality of trading Forex. I'll talk to you guys, give you guys a motivational speech, give you guys some spill about, you know, trading is not pretty all the time. It's not what people make it seem to be. There's ups and downs, not just ups. So we will be back, guys. We'll come back stronger, and we don't need to worry about these short-term losses, because, again, we're in it for the long run. See you guys in the next episode. Thank you for sticking with me once again. Peace out.